Never flown a drone before? Neither have I. This is Alan Murabayashi for PhotoShelter, and today we're flying the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Drones have become a valuable tool in the visual storytelling arsenal with the ability to capture incredibly high-quality stills and video from a perspective that was once reserved for helicopters or expensive commercial units. I've been tempted to join the drone game for years, but I've resisted the urge to dip my toe into the waters because the earliest units were simply too complicated, large, and expensive. But over the years, my Instagram feed has been infiltrated with incredible aerial images, and after attending the launch of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro earlier this year, I decided it was time to take one out for a spin. Like other drones, the Mavic 2 connects to your smartphone, Android or iPhone, via the DJI Go app, while the controller provides the RF connection to the drone. Orienting yourself in 3D space takes a while. It's not hard to fly the drone at all, and by most accounts the Mavic 2 is significantly quieter than most drones. The left joystick controls altitude and nose direction, and the right joystick controls forward, back, left, and right movements. In 2015, DJI bought a minority stake in Hasselblad. In early 2017, the minority stake became a majority stake in the Mavic 2 Pro's camera. It's the company's first collaboratively designed drone camera featuring a 20-megapixel, 1-inch sensor. I found taking pictures to be an intuitive process that yielded great results. It took a few days of shooting to find which angles I thought worked best from a bird's eye view, but the results were worth it. In the basic video mode, controlling camera and drone movements is completely manual. Although I had some complex camera movements in mind, like circling a subject at a constant distance, my flying skills weren't good enough to do it convincingly. Add in the ability to tilt the camera up and down, and suddenly you realize why DJI created pre-programmed modes. For example, the drone can auto-track the subject, and I have to tell you, seeing the drone track something or someone while avoiding things around it is pretty incredible.
The active track mode uses all of the omnidirectional sensors to track a subject while avoiding objects in its periphery. And it's actually pretty amazing. As I walk by these trees, you're going to see the drone kind of hover backwards and follow me. Come on, drone, let's go.
I ended up flying the Mavic 2 Pro every day. I even woke up before sunrise one morning to go flying, which is frankly unheard of for this night owl. Using a drone in a big city like New York City is impractical and mostly illegal, but in less densely populated areas of Hawaii, it's a dream. Like a new lens, the drone is simply a tool that allows you to capture the world in a different way. And right now, I'm in the honeymoon phase. But with its ability to get you into positions you physically can't occupy, drones seemingly offer more unusually creative perspectives, fueling my creative juices and motivation. Given that this was my first experience with a drone, I don't really have any basis for comparison. But I suspect that the ease of use combined with the stellar image quality means the Mavic 2 Pro is a pretty damn good piece of gear, and I can't wait to go fly again. And if you're looking for a photography website, PhotoShelter has you covered. Try one of ours for free for 14 days at photoshelter.com.